Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Today I just wanted to show you the beauty in my Queen of the Night cactus. She's been growing really big. She grows during the fall and winter a lot. She pushes out these beautiful blooms, trails out with these big branches. Keep her in a terracotta pot so she can breathe. And she's been doing really good since that last video we shot a few months ago. She's been growing, pushing out vines, flowers. I feed her once a month with a Miracle-Gro all-purpose nutrients, diluted halfway for my cactuses, and then I water her once every 3 weeks to a month. She blooms 1 to 3 times during the fall time for me. And in the summertime, she kind of sleeps. That's how easy it is to take care of her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and invest in some cactuses of your own. They're amazing to have. They're really low maintenance. And this girl stays in about 8 hours of full sun a day. I propagate off of her leaves, which are right over here. This was a nice propagation from a little leaf we took, a little cutting, and now they're just growing really big. You can see all that new growth. So I hope you guys get some cactuses of your own. Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, hit that little subscribe button so you can see more to come from my garden. See you next time.